Hello everyone, this is the airtv 1. They just made the second one as soon as I bought the first one, but this is how you set it up with a Sling account, not the airtv. I plugged all mine in. I got a little hard drive of Western Digital, 1 terabyte. You just plug it in. That's my antenna, hardwire internet, then the weird plug they have for it. You should have 2 solid lights and a blinking internet one. And then you come over to your Sling app on your phone. Some devices don't support it. LG TV does not support it yet, but Roku and Fire Stick and all that do. This is my recording from normal Sling subscription. You want to click the gear up at the top right. Get rid of any Facebook message you have. Oh, or it's going to open it. What a beautiful phone. Give me a second. It's going to come up like that. And you click on over the air channels. Scroll down. If it lets you. It was working good a second ago. Hold on. I accidentally clicked show me more. It'll go up, not down. Okay, there we go. God, sorry, it's real time. You have to be on the same network with your phone as what you're going to set it up at, or what you have it plugged in. It's gonna update it. I was actually just connecting and seeing if I could use airtv instead of Sling and record my TV and get rid of Sling, but no, you only can watch it live, no recording. So I am resetting it. I'm going to name it. Just going to name it local. Sometimes I have a problem with putting in my zip code, and then if you put in the nearest town where you're getting your subscription from, because I live out in the country, it works better. I'm about 15 miles from where I get all my channels. Now I'll probably rescan because I normally get 42 channels. Sure. Rescan on a nice sunny day. Okay, and this will pop up at the bottom. I don't know if it's my hard drive. I actually have the old spinning disc kind of hard drive. I'm going to format the hard drive that's on it. And when you launch it on the app or your TV, you have to wait for it to say USB connected at the bottom and on the TV when it says it at the bottom. Then you can tell it to record TV and watch your recording TV. I think solid state hard drive, it may, since them are always on, maybe it'd work better. I can record almost 200 hours with a 1 terabyte, which is plenty. Okay. Now if I go to my TV guide, actually I'm going to go over here and show you. It should show up on your DVR. Yeah, I got 170 hours with my... Don't ever unplug the hard drive and plug it back in. You have to format it each time, and it's formatted to where you can't take the hard drive to a computer or something to copy it. It's its own file format. That's about all under there. But if you go to your TV guide, I got CBS. NASCAR's on right now. Don't want to copyright, so I'm not going to click on that one. Let's click on Home Improvement. Home Improvement. I think I have my volume down all the way. I'm not shutting that off or my phone will go nuts. Then you can pause it. Can't even see the pause emblem. Okay, it's not available on that network. You can click record. New episodes, all episodes, this episode. I've had problems where it doesn't know when to record a new episode, even though you tell it to do a new episode. Let's tell it to record this episode only. Let's watch it. There it says it's recording. Let's go see if it's under my recordings. Oh, right there it is. And if you ever want to see if it's recording right, if you scroll over, right there is scheduled. And it'll show you all that. Now when you go on a TV, here's my Roku device on an LG TV. Let that load. See my whole house. Roku's loading in. Right there it is. Now there's also an issue when you click. Whoa. Got sound there. When you click resume, sometimes it plays the very end of the show and you got to catch it super quick. Now I'm going to show you where it doesn't work. Here's Sling on an LG TV. The actual app on a smart TV. See, it loads in and it's not there, that recording. And if I go to TV Guide, it's not on there. And if you go to channels, normally you can select only show me airtv channels. So it's not supported everywhere yet. It would show a second storage device up here if it was working right, or if it supported it. Hope this helped.